Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add your business on Google Maps. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to want to open up Google Maps and find the location where your business is going to be located. Okay. Let's say, for example, in this area right here near Pine Grove. Okay. So what you do is just zoom in until you find the specific location. For example, right here. Okay. I'm going to tap and hold like so. Now go ahead and scroll down and tap on add your business to maps for free. Tap on it, wait for your browser to load and just sign in with your Gmail account. And once that's done, or once it loads, add in your business name, the business category, and just tap on next. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, do you want to add a location customers can visit? Hit on yes if it's physical, no if not. Okay. Now all you need to do next is just go ahead and fill in the required fields right here. Hit on next, follow simple prompts. It will ask you to upload the photo of your business. So just follow simple prompts, and once done, once you hit on the submit button, you're going to want to wait for about 24 to 48 hours and you'll be receiving an email from Google that your business is added to Google Maps. Okay. You'll receive either approved or disapproved. Okay. And once that's done, you might have to wait another 24 to 48 hours for you to be able to see that your business is now on Google Maps, and anyone can just easily tap on it and tap on directions. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.